In today's video, I am going to teach you how to export your site in Squarespace. To begin, log into your Squarespace account and open the website you want to export. Once you are inside the site dashboard, look to the left-hand menu and click on Settings. This is where Squarespace keeps many of the core site management options, including tools for moving your content out of the platform. After that, select Website from the submenu. This will open a new set of options related to your site structure and content management. From there, click on Import and Export Content. This is the section Squarespace uses for transferring website content, whether you are bringing content in or exporting it for use somewhere else. Next, click the Export button. Squarespace will then ask you to choose an export format. When that appears, select the WordPress option icon. Even if you are not moving to a WordPress site right away, this is the export format Squarespace provides for downloading your site content. It is a standard option and is the one you will use to generate the export file. Once you choose WordPress, the export process will begin. At this point, wait for the processing queue to finish loading. Depending on the size of your site and how much content it includes, this may take a few moments. It is important to let the process complete fully before moving on, so do not close the page while it is working. When the export is ready, you will see a download button appear on the left panel. Click that button to download the exported file. Your browser may either download it immediately or ask you where you want to save it. Finally, save the .xml archive file to your computer. This file contains the exported content from your Squarespace site and can be used for importing into supported platforms or for keeping a backup of your content. If you want to stay organized, it is a good idea to save it in a clearly labeled folder so you can find it easily later. That covers everything you need to know.